I will remember. Okay, I'm going to create a new folder and call it screenshots. Alright, and just paste it right there. Save that. So that would be SS1 for screenshot 1, and that would be 3.5 inch. Okay, 3.5 inches. Alright, so now I'm going to do the exact same thing, but instead of doing it for the 3.5 inches screens, I'm going to do it for the longer screens. Okay, so Command N for file new. Okay, and this time it's going to be 640 pixels wide over 1136 pixel high. How do I know? Because I just happen to know it by heart, but otherwise you can go check on the website of Apple, the Apple developer website. Look for iPhone screen dimensions, okay, or screenshot dimensions. Press OK. Now paste again. Command V to paste, and like I told you earlier, Command T will be to scale it up and link the width and the height, and change it to 200. Now, as you can see, this doesn't do the trick because there's some space that are not filled up. That's because we were using the iPhone 6.1 simulator, so we're missing some pieces here. So that's not a problem. Let's create a new layer. So click on the bottom right new layer button right there. Okay, and put this layer below the layer one. Okay, so once it's below, I want you to select the bucket tool, and we're going to change the color to black. Okay, so I clicked on the color and I'm going to change that to black. Press enter or OK, and I'm going to use the bucket to change the background to black. Alright, so that will do. Now I'm going to save this, Command Alt Shift S, and I'm going to save this as being the screenshot for 4-inch screens. So SS1 instead of 3.5 inch, I'm just going to put 4-inch screen. Alright. Now that this is done, that's going to be enough for my screenshots. Now, I would advise you to do more than one screenshot. I think you have a maximum of 5 screenshots. So use as many as you can, and let them tell the story about your game. Okay. So think about like this game. I don't know. We have to save some princess by killing those monster bricks or something like that, you know. So think about some kind of a scenario, and you can actually write some text here on top. Okay, so you have the text tool, and you can start writing some text on top of that to maybe say something. Okay, I don't know, save the earth, for example. Okay, so there you go, I have saved the earth, and you can just take this and put it right there. Okay, that's just one example. So yes, you can keep playing with that, and don't forget to save your screenshots, of course. So that's it for the screenshots. Now we can move